So for example 1, we're going to look at which of the following relations are functions. So we're going to compare our domain, or our x values, with our range, which is our y values. Remember that in order for something to be a function, each domain is matched with exactly one range. Domain is only going to be listed once. So let's look at the domain here. We have -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And for our range, we have 5, 4, 0, 4, and 5. We're going to look at our x values because that one signifies our domain. None of the values there are repeated. Each domain has only one range value, so this one is a function. So each domain value has one range value. For B, for the second example, let's take our ordered pairs and write them down vertically like they would be in a table of values. So we have 3 and 4, 2 and 7, 3 and 6, and 5 and 7. So remember the first number in each coordinate pair is your x value, and that indicates your domain. This time, 3 is repeated twice. So this one is not a function. X equals 3 has two different values for y. So for x equals 3, two values are 4 and 6. So that one would not be a function.